Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sushi poke bowl. First, let's prepare the foundation, the rice. Use short-grain sushi rice, rinsing it thoroughly before cooking. Once cooked, gently fold in a mixture of rice vinegar, sugar, and a pinch of salt. This seasoning gives your poke bowl that authentic sushi flavor. Allow the rice to cool slightly before assembling your bowl for the best texture. Next, let's focus on the star of your poke bowl, the protein. Opt for fresh, sushi-grade fish like ahi tuna or salmon. Cut your chosen fish into uniform 1-inch cubes. Prepare a simple marinade with soy sauce, sesame oil, a touch of ginger, and a hint of sriracha for a little kick. Let the fish marinate for at least 15 minutes to absorb all those delicious flavors. Now for the fun part, choosing your toppings and assembling your bowl. Think about a variety of textures and colors. Sliced cucumbers, creamy avocado, crisp radishes, and vibrant edamame are excellent choices. Don't forget a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds or crispy fried onions for added crunch. Arrange your marinated fish and toppings beautifully over a bed of seasoned sushi rice. To complete your perfect poke bowl, add a final drizzle of sauce. A creamy spicy mayonnaise, a tangy ponzu, or a sweet unagi sauce can elevate the flavors. Garnish with fresh green onions, a sprinkle of nori strips, or a dash of chili flakes for extra flair. Your homemade sushi poke bowl is now ready to be enjoyed. It's a delicious and customizable meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.